In the name of Allah, who is the most beneficent and the most merciful. Assalamu alaikum and good morning to all. My name is Amna. Today we have gathered here to celebrate Teachers' Day in the pursuit to honor our teachers for their everyday guidance to help us succeed in our paths. I would like to salute and extend my overwhelming gratitude towards the teachers' community. They have always been a guiding light and provided rigid support to walk through our paths whenever needed. Today, on the behalf of every student in the world, I would like to say that we owe a big thank you to each teacher who has helped us directly or indirectly in shaping our lives. Thank you and a very happy Teachers' Day.